Dear audience of Atavatan TV Channel, good evening. I'm Ismail Orazgylyjov, and welcome to our Turkmenistan Weekly AI news program. Here are the latest updates from Turkmenistan's agenda in English. Turkmenistan to explore the capabilities of 5G technology. The features of 5G technology, which, compared to 4G technology, offer up to 10 times higher data transfer rates and provide reliable and stable connections, are being studied. This was reported by the General Director of the Transport and Communications Agency under the Cabinet of Ministers, Mametan Çakyu. As noted in the Watan news program, in this regard, the proposal of the Turkmenistan Agency to carry out relevant work in this area was submitted for consideration by the head of state. The esteemed President, after hearing the report, stated that advanced digital technologies are being consistently implemented in our country, and effective work is being carried out in transitioning to and developing the digital economy, requiring further improvement of these efforts. The head of state noted that modern 5G technology is widely used abroad and expressed his support for this proposal, instructing the head of the agency to carry out the necessary work to study the capabilities and features of this technology. Turkmenistan to develop cooperation with the Eurasian Patent Organization. Deputy Chairman of the Cabinet of Ministers and Minister of Foreign Affairs, R. Meredau, reported on the ongoing work to develop cooperation between Turkmenistan and the Eurasian Patent Organization. The Program for the Development of Turkmenistan's Intellectual Property System for 2021-2025 is aimed at the systematic implementation of this service's activities. Based on this, cooperation with international organizations is conducted to protect and comprehensively guarantee copyright. In this regard, several relevant proposals, including Turkmenistan's accession to the Protocol on the Protection of Industrial Designs to the Eurasian Patent Convention, one of the main documents of the Eurasian Patent Organization, were submitted for consideration by the head of state. The Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Foreign Affairs provided information on the advantages that would arise for Turkmenistan by joining the aforementioned protocol. Furthermore, a proposal was presented to expand Turkmenistan's representation in reputable international organizations, particularly in the Eurasian Patent Organization. Additionally, it was proposed to hold a regional conference in Ashgabat in October of this year, dedicated to the legal protection of industrial designs, and to host the next meeting of the Governing Council of the Eurasian Patent Organization in 2025. The Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of Australia is accredited to Turkmenistan. On behalf of President Serdar Berdimuhamedov, Chairman of the Meclis-i Gulmanova, accepted credentials from the Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of Australia to Turkmenistan, John William Geering. On behalf of the head of state, the head of the National Parliament congratulated the diplomat on his appointment to a responsible post, wishing him success in strengthening the ties of friendship and cooperation between the two countries. Thanking for the kind words and hospitality shown on Turkmen soil, the ambassador conveyed to President Serdar Berdimuhamedov the best wishes from the leadership of his country. During the conversation, the diplomat was informed about the main directions of national state policy, one of the most important aspects of which is the development of broad international interaction. The guest was also acquainted with the socio-economic and democratic transformations being implemented in our country on the initiative of the head of state and Hero Arkadag, which have as their main goal the well-being of the people and the economic growth of Turkmenistan. That's all for today's news. Thank you for joining us. For more updates, visit our website or tune in to our next broadcast. Until then, take care and goodbye.